time collapse. Here we go. In a time collapse. Here the freak we go. We're stuck in a different time. I can't let it go. Is anybody in this nostalgia like me? Wanna go back in time with me? Who's joining with me? Come on everybody, let's go in this time machine. This is a time collapse. It is a time collapse. We're going back in time, like a time collapse. This is a time collapse. This is a time collapse. We're going back in time. We're going back in time. I'm gonna tell you something new about myself. I hate this new moderated feel. I gotta keep it positive before I get stuck up like a vacuum. Holy crap. I need to keep everything new and old, cause you are special to me. Yeah, my baby girl. Oh, what the world? What's the living world? Let's go in 2005 or 2009. This is a time collapse. This is a time collapse. You like it stuck here. You like it stuck here. What will be great for me? I hate the modern world. Let's go to time collapse. Let's go to travel away. This is a time collapse. This is a time collapse. You like it stuck here. You like it stuck here. Watch out when you go in. You might not come back out. You might go back up if you up. This is you. Yes, we go to 2007 when I was born. December 17th, 2007. It's love to play time. It's love to play time. Yeah, 2007. Hey baby, how are you there? How are you today? Hey, let's play every day. No, come on. Let's have a game. Let's have a game. I gotta make the song right. Everybody, we're stuck in 2005, y'all. Zion wasn't even a thing back then. She was only born in 2012, you freaks. I'm gonna get out. Okay, go with me. In the time collapse, this is a time collapse. Come on, let's get it out. This is a time collapse. 2020, yeah. Yeah, I guess so. Maybe when I'm finished. I am not sure. 2020. Cuddlebug made the stuffed animal eater. Yeah, he tried to kill us all with this stupid idea. But we survived. In a time collapse. Where we survived, suck that cuddlebug. Oh shoot, why am I saying that? We probably gonna get demonetized for these words. This is the time collapse. We found plastic Lucky in the time collapse. This is the time collapse. Eat my tail, yeah. I can do anything. Believe yourself and you will work good. In a time collapse. Hey baby, we're working it, baby. We're in a good time collapse, everybody. Wait, that's a bad thing though, y'all. If we're back in time, we're gonna die. I don't care if we're gonna die. We're gonna survive. Oh no. The clocks are turning, y'all. The tables are turning. The clocks are twisting. Oh my god. The clocks are twisting. We're gonna die, you freaks. Okay, on the count of three, everybody, grab my hand. Alright, I got it. Now say, let's go to the time collapse. Let's go to the time collapse. Let's freaking go. This is the time collapse. Get me out of here. I'm gonna go back into modern times. I really regret this. I want to go back in time, but I'm not gonna go every time. This is a time collapse though, y'all. I love this.